Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenny Smile. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by today. Thanks to my old and new subscribers. You guys are amazing. So guys, a quick one. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how to make simple toasted bread sandwich. Yeah, they are all in your kitchen. But before we dive into this video, have you subscribed to my channel? Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's dive into today's video. So guys, the first thing I did was to put on my glove. This glove is meant for cooking. I just want to do so. It's optional. And I went ahead to chop all my vegetables.
Let go. Yeah. No, no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
So guys, at this point, I added my mayonnaise and my sardine.
No. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you.
At this point guys, if you don't like your vegetables to be soft, you can toast only your bread then later add your vegetables. But if you like it soft, you can follow this way and toast your bread.
Yeah, I want to tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know one.
So beauties, finally we are here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please drop down your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this sandwich, and I will see you guys on my next one. Enjoy.
It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed